Discover the ultimate OnePlus phone's journey in 2025. This deep dive explores the rise and fall of a legendary brand, revealing the hidden gems and shocking transformations that defined OnePlus. If you've ever owned a OnePlus, or are just curious about their incredible history, you won't want to miss these epic devices. Find links to check out these iconic phones and more in the description below before they're gone forever. Our adventure begins with number 1, the OnePlus One. This 2014 flagship killer shocked the industry, proving you could get premium power without breaking the bank and igniting a passionate fanbase. Next up, number 2. The OnePlus 5T*, which dared to be different with its jaw-dropping lava red and sandstone white finishes, a truly refreshing design statement. Then, prepare for luxury with number 3. The OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition *, a stunning collaboration bringing F1 racing aesthetics and a dramatic pop-up selfie camera. Witness the brand's return to its roots with number 4. The OnePlus Nord *, launching in 2020 as a budget-friendly powerhouse with 5G, proving OnePlus could still deliver immense value. Finally, we unveil number 5. The OnePlus 15 *, the company's powerful, yet surprisingly expensive, last flagship from late 2025, marking the emotional end of an era. From budget-defying legends to high-end powerhouses, these OnePlus phones defined a generation. It's a bittersweet look back at how OnePlus changed the mobile landscape before its dramatic exit from North America and Europe. You'll be amazed at how much this brand evolved and what we learned from its journey.